Hi everyone! So, today is a Friday and I realized na nag-vlog ako since Sunday pa. And I feel na yung mga vlogs na ginagawa ko ngayon is kind of repetitive kasi all I did was, editing some videos and this week, gahanap ako ng mga clients. So, feeling ko paulit-ulit na yung mga pinapakita kong mga footages. Sa totoo lang, maybe siguro ganito talaga yung ginagawa ng mga content creators na paulit-ulit din yung ibang shots. I'm not sure. So, if you're a content creator din and kung nagvo-vlog din kayo sa mga content ninyo, please comment down below kung nakaka-relate kayo kasi parang pakiramdam ko, my life isn't that interesting pero feeling ko yung mga mundane tasks na ginagawa natin araw-araw is, it should be romanticized. Kasi for us, parang that's the reality of life. Like, paulit-ulit lang talaga yung mga ginagawa natin. And siguro didiskartehan na lang natin kung paano magmumukhang iba-iba. Does that make sense? So, ngayon, ang goal ko for today is ganun pa rin. Maghahanap ako ng mga clients and mag-edit ako ng videos or mag-film din ako ng YouTube Shorts kasi malapit na ako sa deadline ko, which is kailangan meron na akong nakahandang mga YouTube Shorts. Pero lately, parang pakiramdam ko, kailangan kong mag-soul searching. I'm at a stage in my life na meron akong gustong gawin. Parang nalilito ako kung ano yung gusto ni Lord na gawin ko next. Kung ano yung next step ko. Kasi I've been thinking about working abroad. I'm up for the challenge, okay? But I'm not yet sure. Parang hindi pa ako binibigyan ng go signal work abroad ni Lord. Parang feeling ko gusto ni Lord na mag-work ako abroad pero not now. So parang feeling ko gusto niya muna akong i-prepare bago ko mag-work abroad so that pagdating ko doon, hindi ako totally mako-culture shock or something. Siguro kasi nahihirapan akong makahanap ng work ngayon, kaya ako niisip itong mga bagay na to. Yeah, minsan nawawalan ako ng pag-asa, pero yun nga, sabi ni Lord, huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Iniisip ko na lang din yung iba kong pangarap sa buhay. Like, for example, I admit na gusto kong ma-monetize sa YouTube. Kasi I've been working on my YouTube channel since nung last March this year. And I've been working on it non-stop. Like, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi i-build itong channel na to. And sa tingin ko nag-pay off naman kasi nakakuha ko ng 1,000 subscribers, which is sobrang thankful talaga ako. Sobrang thankful ako sa inyo who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. Pero kulang na kulang pa rin ako sa watch hours. So talagang sinisipagan ko talaga mag-upload na mag-upload. And I really wanted to be consistent. And one thing na na-realize ko, since binibuild ko yung YouTube channel ko since March, wala akong masyadong rest day, to be honest. Parang mas lalo akong nag-work na iniisip ko na lang na, di bale, a year from now, if I get monetized, magpa-pay off lahat ng pinaghirapan ko. Medyo nakaka-frustrate if, for example, na-meet ko na yung 1,000 subscribers, pero hindi ko pa rin na-meet yung 4,000 watch hours. By the way, as of this time, September 15 na ngayon, I got like 1,700 watch hours kasi medyo naglaylo din ako sa paggawa ng mga YouTube videos nung first week of September kasi I was feeling discouraged. Kailangan ko mag-focus sa paghahanap ng client kasi wala nang money na pumapasok eh. I wanna help my family din kasi financially. Maybe kailangan ko ng maghanap ng work. Pero ipagpapatuloy ko pa rin yung YouTube. Gusto ko rin kasi ito pa rin yung mga pangarap ko, to be honest. If it's God's will, mag-work ako abroad and live there. Feeling ko mas magmamature ako when I work abroad. So, right now, maghahanap muna ako ng client and if there's a job posting na feeling ko qualified ako, mag-a-apply ako and if not, then I'll continue editing yung latest video. Oh, and I just want to share something. Kagabi medyo naglaylo ako sa pag-film kasi parang medyo pagod na ako talaga. So, I just want to watch a film or a documentary, and I found this movie. It's called River Wild, starring Adam Brody and Leighton Meester. And since I'm a huge Gossip Girl fan, and I really wanted to see Leighton Meester back on screen, I decided to watch it. It's a thriller. I really like thriller and action movies right now. And it's good, but I feel that the storyline is kind of predictable. But I really like the cinematography. I like the actors. But I'm after the story talaga. After watching that film, I researched about it and I found that it's only a remake from a 90s movie called The River Wild, and it was starred by Meryl Streep and Kevin Bacon, and they said that it's better than the remake. And even though I haven't watched the original, I still feel na medyo predictable na siya. So siguro, is it just me? Parang I'm a movie buff kasi. Feeling ko as I grew older, nag-iiba yung taste ko pagdating sa mga pinapanood ko. Like, ngayon, I'm really into true crime documentaries right now kasi I find na yung stories is more original, something that I haven't seen before. And ako, ang dami ko na napanood ng documentaries at mga movies all my life kasi parang feeling ko wala yatang buwan na lumipas na hindi ako nanood ng movie. Doon kasi ako nare-relax. Na parang feeling ko it's an escape from a reality. If you have any suggestions or recommendations pagdating sa mga documentaries, I would love to read about it. And also, the night before that, I don't think na nabanggit ko to before, I have also watched The Longest Breath. It's actually a good documentary. It's not the best, but it's actually a good documentary. The story needs to be told to everyone, so it needs more awareness. Oh, and also, I really like the Take Care of Maya. I don't want to spoil anything, pero sinusundan ko talaga yung case nila. I'm gonna go find a client muna. It's 3:09 in the afternoon. Kakagising ko lang from a power nap kasi probably sobrang dami kong inisip kanina. Like, ang dami kong nire-research about working abroad. I'm not sure kung saan. I'm not sure. Pinag-pray ko pa rin if tama yung path na yun na mag-work ako abroad. And hinahanda ko na rin yung sarili ko na I'll be working away from my family. Hindi ko naman talaga planong mag-migrate sa ibang bansa. It's just na pakiramdam ko yun yung kailangan ko ngayon kasi wala akong masyadong opportunities dito sa Pilipinas. So, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. Medyo na-overwhelm ako sa information na nakukuha ko. So, ngayon may nahanap naman akong mga interesting na job advertisement. So, nag-apply muna ako and ngayon malapit na mag-lunch. So, mag-prepare muna ako and I'll see you guys later. check, it's 8:46 p.m. and medyo marami akong nagawa for today. Kumain na kami ng dinner and nakaligo na ako and nakapaglinis na rin ng kusina ngayon. Tinuloy ko lang yung pag-edit ko ngayon kasi usually lately, paggabi, mga gantong oras, nanonood na lang ako ng mga true documentary or movie na gusto kong panoorin. Pero ngayon, I'm feeling productive. Kasi kanina pala mga 5:45, umidlip ako ng konti. Nagising ako mga 6. And usually, pag ganun yung nangyari, medyo late na ako makakatulog. After editing this, meron pa akong time para manood ng something. Maybe a documentary or a movie. So, let's see. Kasi once na parang pakiramdam ko na pipikit-pikit na ako, ayun, it's time na to go to sleep. And actually, nagmo-multitask ako ngayon. So, nag-edit ako and at the same time, pinapatuyo ko yung hair ko kasi bago ligo ako. It's nice to accomplish so many things.